Hey everybody. So, after our house fire, we were sent to stay at an extended stay hotel for about 10 days. But now, our insurance company has placed us in a lovely short-term rental through Airbnb. Let's just say it's giving serious Armitage House vibes from Get Out. It's gorgeous, right? But tell me why every time I turn a corner, I expect to see someone standing in the shadows like,
what you do to me is in confliction, a straight contradiction with my mind.
in this house, the tea is always brewing, the chairs are always creaking, and apparently, no one has been able to leave for decades.
I'm not me.
But hey, the Wi-Fi's great. So, silver lining?
Stead in patience. Oh, I'm a gazelle, always running. Adrenaline in every blood cell. Some say I'm unwell, but I don't care.
My phone battery is draining suspiciously fast. I swear it was just at 90%, and now it's at 10%.
What you do to me is beyond cruel. You're not known to be cool, but give me a break. For heaven's sake, we can still get along if we agree to disagree. Love the circumstances, not me. Who has got the time? Not me. I'm a gazelle, always running.
I could have sworn I heard the Airbnb host say something about, behold the coagula. Don't get me wrong, I love Airbnb and I love a themed Airbnb. But if you hear me start talking about the sunken place, just send help. In the meantime, I'll just be enjoying this beautiful vintage home. I guess, just pray for me, y'all.
I'm a gazelle, always running. Adrenaline in